Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So there is good opportunity from HAL, which is Navratna company, that is Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Okay, the position is for diploma. Various positions are there. Total vacancies are 14. If you complete diploma in civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics communication, electronics and instrumentation, electronics, electrical, mechanical, computer science and information technology, then you are eligible for this. Okay, and the best part is form is free. Okay, so now we will see detailed information. So let's start the video. So as always we see important points. So first important point, you should have 60% aggregate in your diploma. Okay, if you are from UR and OBC, and for SST PWD 50% aggregate is required. Second point, there is direct recruitment. So only they will conduct your written test. Okay, there will be no interview, and after written test, medical and document verification will be there, and you will get selection. Then posting you will get in Karnataka initially, but depending on other requirement, they can post you anywhere in HAL offices all over India. Okay, exam centers you will get all over India, but limited exam centers will be there, so just be prepared for this. Now most important, this is the contract position. Okay, and this is for 4-year contract. So after 4 year it will get over, but definitely you will get experience, and side by side you can prepare for government jobs. Okay, so now we will see total vacancy wise breakdown. First vacancy is for civil. There is one vacancy in open category. Okay, just so those who are from OBC, SC, ST, EWS, PWD, you have to apply in open category. Then for electrical we have total 9 vacancies, 3 in UR, OBC 3, SC1, ST1 and EWS 1. Okay, and all the diploma in electrical, electronics communication, telecommunication, instrumentation, electrical, electronic, you can apply for post number 6, that is technician electrical. Then next post is for mechanical, technician mechanical. Okay, one vacancy is UR and one vacancy is for OBC, total 2 vacancies. And again for assistant IT there are 2 vacancies, one is for SC and one is for ST. There is no vacancy for general category. Age limit cutoff date is 1 May 2023, and age limit is 28 for general EWS, OBC 31, for SSC 33, for PWD 38 general, OBC 40 and SST 43. Form already started on 15th of May and it will end on 24th of May. Okay, about exam they will definitely mail you or message you. Now this is the pattern of your exam. So you will get total 2.5 hour. Okay, that is 150 minutes, and there will be 3 parts, that is your aptitude, then reasoning, general awareness is there. Okay, English and reasoning is there, and part 3 consists of 100 questions of technical from your branch. Okay, 1 mark positive marking is there, means for correct question you will get 1 mark, and negative marking there is no negative marking, 0 negative marking. Okay, so this is all about HL recruitment. Now if you want prepare strategy video, then in the comment section let me know whether you are applying for this recruitment or not. If you have any other query, any other doubt regarding form filling, then you can comment down below. Definitely all the links I will give in the comment section, so just fill the form quickly before last date. Okay, and all the best. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel.